gonna go to the end of the hallway, right turn to the parking lot. Someone will show you your car.
Awesome, thank you.
Alrighty. Prepaid gas, do nothing on the way back.
Sweet.
Okay, Jennifer needs to sign
Sweet.
in the box.
In here?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
She owns the box.
You got the whole box?
I got the whole box.
The
Yeah,
whole
I do.
box. Box it up.
Boss girl.
Okay,
Amazing.
have a good one.
Thank you so
Right
much.
ahead. Have a good one, okay?
Perfect, thank you.
Take care, bye.
Making friends.
Love learning.
Just landed in San Fran and the guy turns around at the car rental and goes, you can choose any of the SUVs. All the keys are in the car and you can just pick and drive one. Which one should we get? That one?
I think well, you got this and you got, let's go America. Slightly.
They're both pretty big. It's in our car.
Who sat in here last?
Lean back, baby, lean back.
I'm going to say it one more time before we take this.
Yeah.
Are you sure you want this one?
Why?
That's so weird.
Yeah?
Once in a while.
Trying to learn how to drive in America.
Does it have a handbrake?
Good question.
Yeah, definitely. Right, are we ready?
Let's go!
Right. Thank you. Gotta learn how American cars work. Yes.
Now when you park your car in the road, take all the things out of the car.
Cool.
Awesome.
Perfect.
Take care of your passport, wallet, cell phone, laptop, and your...
Yeah, everything.
My wife.
Yeah.
Your wife, okay. Cool wife.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Money,
you.
passport, and your wife.
Can't leave me in there.
You're gonna stay, huh?
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you very much. I want to know who was in this car before I was.
What? Oh, what?
I want to know who actually could drive like that.
Lean back.
Yeah, am I joking?
That's going off this way, yeah. Yeah, you got it. You're a tank. Down there. So anywhere along there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm about to do something that every American is so confused about. So if you've noticed, have you noticed which way the cars are facing on which side of the road?
What reverse?
Like going against the flow of traffic. As in, I'm going to be parking on this side of the road,
Yeah.
but that's against the flow of traffic.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
No American does it. Notice.
Really?
Notice.
Yeah, I know.
No car is facing the
Why?
wrong way. Fuck knows.
We always do it.
Yeah, you always do.
Do you want me to? Yeah, do you want help?
Yeah, no, everyone will find it weird that I've parked on this side of the road facing us.
Jokes. Well done. Well done driving.
It's alright.
We survived the car ride. Well done for driving.
Biggest.
Oh, it's great. It's actually really nice and sunny.
It's actually really...
Well, this is fun. For you. Absolute nutcase. Hydration face mask.
Hi.
You look hilarious. I can't talk on mine.
Oh.